we will be learning about urban and rural animals. This is the third episode of the second season of comparing animals and their habitats. If you have any recommendations to compare animals, please leave them in the comments section below. If you take a walk around your neighborhood, you will probably hear many different sounds, such as a Canada Goose or a raccoon or a squirrel. These animals are all examples of urban wildlife. These animals are most commonly found in urban and suburban environments. The Canada Goose, or Brantara canadensis, is a part of the order Anseriformes and the family Anatidae. These geese live in marshes and urban landscapes in North America and are commonly found in Canada and the United States. The Canada Goose has a long black neck with a white chin strap underneath their head. The Canada Goose eats many types of seeds, grasses, and plants. The Canada Goose even dives below the water to harvest eelgrass and other underwater vegetation. They are found eating in grasslands and open fields. The breeding ground for many geese is in Canada and parts of the northern United States and Alaska. These honkers, as referred to by many because of their loud calls, create their nests on the ground. The Brantara canadensis is currently ranked low concern. The raccoon, or Brocchianlortor, belongs to the order Carnivora and the family Brocchianidae. The raccoon lives in many different environments. They can be found scavenging for food in a city or forests. Their habitat is mainly North and South America. However, some raccoons can also be found in southeast parts of Asia. The average lifespan of a raccoon is 2 to 3 years. To prepare for the cold winter months, raccoons eat surplus amounts of food to gain extra weight. This extra weight supplies raccoons with the necessary energy for survival. Raccoons are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and flesh. While on land, raccoons walk on all 4 of their paws. Their favorite things to eat are seeds, nuts, fruits, plants, and birds' eggs. When in cities, raccoons rummage in garbage for food scraps. Also, the Brocchianlortor is a very good swimmer. Raccoons like hunting for frogs and fish, and are actually nocturnal, are most active during the night hours. The squirrel, or Sciuridae, is a part of the order Rodentia and the family Sciuridae. Squirrels are classified as rodents and can be found in almost every continent except Australia and Antarctica. These small rodents live in woodland environments, city landscapes, and suburban areas. These rodents are a wide variety of colors. Some squirrels are brown, gray, black, tan, and even red. Squirrels have a bushy tail and are well known for hiding nuts. Squirrels are omnivores and are not picky eaters. They enjoy eating many types of vegetables, plants, insects, flowers, and nuts. Surprisingly, the top speed of a squirrel is 16 miles per hour. Their average lifespan is 2 to 8 years and are currently classified as near threatened. Squirrels are hunted down by predators such as coyotes, snakes, weasels, and other large creatures. Also, squirrels don't just include the common squirrel you can locate in your neighborhood. However, chipmunks, prairie dogs, and groundhogs are all classified as squirrels. Have you ever visited the countryside? If so, you've probably passed by a farm. On a farm are many different animals. For many generations, farmers have been breeding farm animals for their produce, such as a cow for its milk, or a chicken for its eggs, or a sheep for its wool. These are all examples of rural animals. The chicken, or Gallus domesticus, is a part of the order Galliformis and the family Phasianidae. Chickens are domesticated animals that have a small head, wings, and a short beak. Chickens are actually the most populous bird species in the world. Chickens are related to the red jungle fowl, which originates in southern Asia. They have 4 claws on each of their feet and are used for scavenging for food. Chickens mainly eat corn, grains, vegetables, and insects. This means they are omnivores. Roosters, or male chickens, crow, make a distinctive call used to assert their territory to other roosters. Hens, or female chickens, do not crow. However, they will make a cluck sound after laying an egg or to commune with their chicks. There are an estimated 23 billion domesticated chickens in the world. The cow, or Bus tarus, belongs to the order Artiodactyl and the family Bovidae. Cows, or cattle, are domesticated animals, which means these animals have been tamed by humans and are usually kept on farms. Cattle are a necessity to our survival. Like many other farm animals, cattle provide us with their produce. Cows provide us with meat and milk. Many cows are bred for the main purpose of what they produce. You have probably heard of many terms used for cattle. A calf is a cow that is 1 year or younger. A heifer is a female cow that has not produced any offspring, and a cow is a female that has produced offspring. A bull is an intact male cow, and a steer is a not intact male cow. Cattle are grazing animals. They mainly eat grasses and hay and are classified as herbivores. Cattle are also very sociable animals that live in herds. The sheep, or Ovius aris, belongs to the order Artiodactyl and the family Bovidae. Sheep are among the most popular farm animals and are related to the goat. Sheep regurgitate their food so that it can completely digest its food. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, legumes, and other vegetation that is short. Sheep also enjoy eating higher brushy plants and usually graze grasses very close to its roots. These very timid animals usually graze in flocks. A male sheep is called a ram, and a female is called a ewe. An immature sheep is a lamb. Many sheep are raised for their milk, meats, and wool. Sheep are described as complex and intelligent animals. These hoofed animals have a wide variety of emotions, such as anger and happiness. Lastly, the largest sheep in the world, the argali, weighs 400 pounds or 181 kilograms. The Canada Goose versus the chicken. The Canada Goose is a large waterfowl bird that is native to North America. The chicken is a small domesticated bird that can be found all over the globe. The natural habitat for the Canada Goose is freshwater lakes, marshes, and city environments, while the chicken is raised on farms and possibly your neighbor. The goose and the chicken are both alike because they are highly sociable birds that communicate to their flock through body language and vocalization. The raccoon versus the cow. The raccoon is a small mammal that is native to North America and is known for its bandit-like mask covering its face. The cow is a large domesticated mammal that is bred from milk, meat, and leather. Raccoons are nocturnal animals that are very curious and intelligent omnivores, while cows are herbivorous creatures that graze on fields of grass and are docile. The raccoon and cattle are both alike because they both have the same coloring of black, white, and brown. The squirrel versus the sheep. The squirrel is a small rodent that is found in many different habitats. The sheep is a medium-sized domesticated mammal that is primarily found on farms. Squirrels are solitary animals that are very agile and are very good climbers that are omnivores. Rather, sheep are herbivores that like to live in flocks and follow a dominant leader. The squirrel and the sheep are both alike because they can be found almost anywhere on the globe. Thank you for watching. This is the third episode of the second season of Comparing Animals and Their Habitats. If you would like to quiz yourself or others on the topic of this video, visit bermudasnature.org/learn or click the link below to get the free and reliable quiz. Hey, before you leave, why haven't you liked the video? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more interesting videos like this one.